Hello there, Vault Explorers. Today I'm giving you a sneak peek inside the vault and giving you a look at our home gym system, what we use. I have been a big fan of the Bowflex for many years. I've owned several of the old bend rod, whatever you want to call that, like the first gen Bowflexes, and have nothing but good things to say about them. People will naysay them because it's not free weights and whatnot. I think this is one of the most versatile machines. I'm a huge fan of them. You can get them on, Craigslist, OfferUp, Facebook Marketplace for dirt cheap. I picked up this Bowflex Revolution for $200, and it cost about $100 in gas to drive it home, just because of the distance I drove using Mountain Man Mitch's truck. So getting this thing for almost free, I figured that there was got to be some things wrong with it. But come to find out, it was from an older gentleman who got gifted this thing from his company working for one of the bigger corporations. I won't name it because I don't want to get tagged or whatever. But anyways, I think they put it together wrong. The strap was on the wrong way, and it was twisted and bound. So this side it would work, but it was just kind of stiff and made a whole lot of noises. Okay, so I took it apart, straightened out the strap, put it over the right way, but then it was giving me issues with the guide right here that kind of protects it. So I had to take it apart again, and this time I glued that inner strap down. No, you can't see it, but if you ever take this apart, you'll know what I'm talking about. And did that, and now it moves smooth and silent, as you can hear and tell. Okay, now that I've done that and I've taken it apart and I'm getting used to doing the maintenance on this, I am going to keep the side covers off this thing. This bit of plastic, three pieces, the top and bottom of that part and that top part right there, is pretty useless, and it's only going to save you the looks of this thing. It's not going to provide any protection that you can't throw a blanket over if you're not using it, to save it from getting dusty, and that's pretty much it. So I think I'm going to start a couple of videos on exercises and results and whatnot, and if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.